Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add the payment gateways in Shopify in 2025. Now, setting up the payments is one of the most important parts of your store, and Shopify makes it super easy to accept the cards, the wallets, and the international payments. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Then you need to log in into your Shopify account with the help of your Shopify credentials. Now this is going to be your Shopify admin dashboard. In order to get access to the payments option, first of all, click on the option of settings in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After that, among the given options, click on the option of payments. So this is the section where you are going to manage all of your payment providers. We have a bunch of different payment providers here like Shopify Payments, PayPal wallets, and any third party gateways. Now it is going to show you supported payment methods, and by default in it you will find PayPal. So if you want to activate PayPal, simply click on the option of activate PayPal. After that, click on the option of activate again. Now on the next page, you will have to provide your PayPal related credentials, and you need to basically connect your PayPal account with it in order to activate PayPal as the payment method. Now, if you want to add another payment method than PayPal, simply click on the option of choose a provider. Over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different third-party payment providers, like we have cash-free payments, then we have the on-site card payments, then we have Razorpay Direct. So you can choose any of the payment providers which you want to basically integrate on your Shopify store. It is also going to show you all of the cards that are available with that particular provider. For example, let's say you are interested in this one, which is integration use pay. So after clicking on it, simply click on the option of install. Then you need to follow some of the further instructions in order to successfully add the payment methods in your Shopify account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.